Today, we're talking about how to set up your wellness workshop or whatever title or name you want to give it, or an event in 30 days or less. And that's all so you can stop throwing spaghetti at the wall with your marketing plan. You have a reliable 6-figure system to bring clients in the door and convert them into your high ticket offer. And so if you feel like you're doing workshops, but right now it's taking a lot of time and effort to get people into the room, and people are coming and attending, but they're not converting into high ticket wellness clients, then make sure to listen to this episode because we're going to go over the framework, the 5 steps that are needed to make your workshop successful. So you always know what to market when you're showing up to social media and what to say. We're going to go over that so you can bring in consistent clients while still having time for a personal life. And you have a plan that you know what works and a simplified business and reliable way to hit 10K months. So here's some common mistakes that I see when it comes to workshops.